I bought myself a early Christmas present from Innocent Bones because she said she was so excited about it. So I thought I'd subscribe to one of the kits. This is the November kit because it's just arrived today. It's one of her tarot card kits, I think. And there's a few extra goodies in here. I've taken the label off so you can't see stuck me. But it's just arrived today. So let's get it opened. Ooh. So, it's fortune teller gift box. Oh yeah, this is cool. So we have some washi tape from Megan Arlo, and it looks like it's got fortune teller bits in, stars, and bones. Quite exciting. And then we have some charms from Liz Harry. All of these people, I think I'm lucky that all of these I've followed for ages. So as soon as I heard Liz Harry had some goodies in this box, that also spurred me to buy it. And a pin badge. I love this one. I don't know. Let's have a look at them again. A fish. You always get these at Christmas, and I feel like it always tells me I'm fickle. Or yeah, I think it's fickle. It keeps telling me, or my head and tail move, but I don't know. This is some witchcraft, definitely. And then, oh, some stickers. And the thread, I'm excited. I wonder if it says what the pattern is. So I'm going to open this, see what. I think that's everything. So you get more black thread. The hand. So that's the pattern. It tells you the colours. You get instructions how to do it. I'm excited for this because I haven't done cross stitch since year 5, 6 at school, which was when I was 10 and 11. And then you get the, if I just pop these over, what you cross stitch onto. Little needle. Did I open a cross stitch onto? It's the problem, I keep opening things off camera. The black thread and the hoop. I feel like if you're a cross stitcher, you're just gonna end up with loads of hoops in your house. So actually quite, I can't remember how much I paid for this. Possibly maybe £20. I will have a look and pop it down. But really excited about all the little gifts and the colours. And there's actually quite a lot of things in here, like the gifts and everything. I think it's quite worth it. with a little explanation, discount, and little fish. Like, not what I mean is like a lot of the other like Artful and Oh Hello Maker that I subscribe to, you don't get fun little things that you probably only appear at Christmas. I think that's like a little added extra. I knew there was little gifts, but just funny things is a nice thing to have. So yeah, I'm excited to do this one. What I wanted to buy was like a kit that I could just sit on the sofa and do. And I think that's what I've got. And then I can like display it, and then there's like no pressure for me to do it or not. I will do it, but yeah, I'm excited. You might not see the whole video of me doing this, but I'll share a picture of it when I'm done. So yeah, there we go, the fortune teller box.